So Nikita and she is from Lakhimpur. I think that this is in Uttar Pradesh, and she has also asked me that please discuss on the Simpson rule. So we have decided to just to take this question. This question it has come in Mechanical 2020. All the questions are same, only they are changing the function. Okay. So at first I have written some formula here already. The first one is trapezoidal rule. At first you must note the trapezoidal rule, Simpson 1/3 rule, Simpson 3/8 rule, and these rules works for the to find the integration. Okay, you know that it is not possible to find all the type of function, means to find the integration of all the type of function. Okay, so we use such type of method. So number first is trapezoidal rule. In the trapezoidal rule, the integration x0 to x0 plus nh y dx is equal to h upon 3 y0 plus yn plus 2 remaining elements. Okay, what is this? I will explain when I will solve this problem. Second one is Simpson 1/3 rule. Integration x0 to x0 plus nh y dx is equal to h upon 3 x y0 plus yn plus 4 into odd plus 2 into even number of terms, odd number of terms. And Simpson 3/8 rule, x0 to x0 plus nh y dx is equal to 3h upon 8 y0 plus yn plus 3 into remaining and 2 into multiple of 3, means terms multiple of 3. And the next such type of questions it has been asked in previous year GATE exam. Okay, just before 2007, if we'll just check before 2007, they have asked error in trapezoidal rule. That will be error is less than minus nh cube upon 12 y double dash x, means differentiation of y 2 times. Now error in Simpson 1/3 rule is equal to error is less than or equal to, you can also think, minus nh ki power 5 upon 90 and y0 or y you can say, and fourth derivative, okay, of x y. And error in 3/8 rule is equal to minus 3 h ki power 5 upon 80 y and 4 times differentiate y with respect to x. So these are some rules. And second, you must note the first one. This question it has asked in GATE exam in civil engineering and mechanical engineering. Okay, so these are very important for all of the students. The first one is the trapezoidal rule given exact result while integrating polynomial up to degree 1. Up to degree 1. The trapezoidal rule will give you exact result up to degree 1. Number second, note Simpson rule gives exact result while integrating polynomial up to degree 3. Okay, if you want to get the exact result, then your polynomial degree must be up to degree 3 for Simpson rule. Okay, now same question GATE 2003 they have asked in civil engineering. A necessary of Simpson rule quadratic for step size is, first one is order of h square, b is order of h cube, c is order of h ki power 4 and d is order of h ki power 5. Already we have discussed Simpson rule works, if you want to find the exact result, then Simpson rule works for order of degree of polynomial degree must be 3. Okay, so you will write the answer is order h ki power 3. Okay, so you must check in 2003. Now I will solve this question. How to solve such type of problem? You have one integration and you will also understand what is this. So I is equal to minus 1 to 1 plus 1.4 x into mod of x dx. You have this integration. Okay, so now he's asking use Simpson 1/3 rule and step size is 0.6 and you have to find it. So your step size, at first you must write the step size. Okay, the definition already we have written. Your step size is, number first, this is -1, the first one, initial value -1, then minus 1, 0.6. So next value it will be minus 0.4, then 0.6, next value 0.2, and then 0.6, next value 0.8, then 1.4. You can check 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Okay, and minus 4 plus 6 is equal to 0.2. Minus 1 plus 6 is equal to minus 0.4. You can check. Step size means x0 plus nh. Okay, the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, now the function. So your function y, okay, yi you can write. Okay, this is y0 and this is y1, then this is y2 and y3 and y4. Okay, so your y0 y1 is equal to, for this your y0, if you write this value here, your function means y of x is equal to x into mod of x. When you are writing minus 1, y of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into mod of minus 1. Already you know mod of minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So your value is equal to minus 1. Again, if you are writing minus 0.4, then minus 0.4, it means that minus 0.4 and mod 0.4 minus 0.4, it means that this value minus 0.4 into 0.4. 4 4 is 16. Okay, so 0.16, but this is negative. So this is minus 0.16. Again, this is also same. 0.2 into 0.2, 2 is 4. So your value it will be 0.04. Again, 8 into 8 is equal to 8 is 16. So this is 8 is 64. 0.64. Then 1.4 into 1.4. So this is 1.96. Okay, I think that you understand how to find it. So that is y of x. Okay. So these are the initial value. This is x0, this is x1, this is x2, this is x3, and this is x4. Now what is the meaning of this? Now Simpson 1/3 rule. We are using Simpson 1/3 rule. Okay. So your integration x0 to x0 plus nh. So x0 is equal to minus 1 and minus 1 plus n into h is equal to 0.6. I think that you understand. N is equal to 1 2 3 4, you will write. And y dx, what is y? Y is x into mod of x dx is equal to, then h upon 3. What is h? H step size is h is equal to 0.6 upon 3. Okay, then y0 plus yn. So your y0 is this, and yn, your yn is this, y4. Okay, so you will write minus 1 plus 1.16 here. Okay, then 4 into odd plus 4 into odd term. This is your odd term and this is your odd term. Okay, so minus 0.16 plus y3 is equal to 0.64. Then 2 into even term plus 2 into even term. Your even term is only this, 0.04. Now you have to add all the value. If you will add all the value, then you will get, already we have find, this is 0.0592. That is your exact result. I think that you understand what we are teaching you. So similarly, if in the examiner this time he will ask solve this problem by the help of trapezoidal rule, and so you have to use the same method. Till here you have to use the same method. Now you have to use only the formula. You can find also the trapezoidal rule. You can find also the Simpson 3/8 rule. Okay, I think that you understand. So now the next message again from mechanical department. Okay, and they are asking, already we have discussed the Laplace equation. Okay, okay, no problem. My request that please same video I am uploading in one by one in YouTube channel Albert Joshi. You must go there and soon I will upload same video. It will be uploaded after some time, and the some students they miss the classes, so they must come that platform. You can get the benefit, you can download the video because there is no ad, that is the ad free channel. Okay, because I did not monetize, and also in future I will also not monetize such type of videos. Okay, so Laplace I will solve, okay, no problem, because the Salu from Ujjain and the Mamta from Haridwar, they have asked two questions, one from vector and the second is from Laplace equation. Okay, no problem, I will solve these problem. Okay, and many also messages I have come from for the mechanical department. So this time I will solve all the questions for the mechanical student. Okay, so the next question is,